next week. It's
the actual
go. We take the frustration. All right, guys, and we're on the road.
Oh, this is 2 hot wires on the coil.
Mustang Coupe. It's official, guys. I finally have a microphone. I know you're all thrilled about that. Anyway, this is a view of the 2015 Mustang, customized by David Lickberg of the Netherlands and William Weeding, and some support by opinions of my old staff. Well, I was doing this car just before, you know what happened to MustangMedic. And what I'm showing you on this video is all the versions that we had of the car. You'll notice that they're subtle. Some of it is with highlights and color, and what we did with the scoops on the hood and on the scoops on the side of the body. These tail end pictures, you'll notice, are changing the logo icon around the car, and I was very prepared to customize this car back in 2015, but this is what we ended up with, and I think it's really bad mamma jamma. I'll say it that way. It's kind of PG, but that was, I don't know why we put those logos on there, and that really didn't work out, so goodbye. Then we did a blue stripe with red stripes going across it, pretty bold. That was David's concept, and we also played around with the logo on how we were going to put it on the car. I'm going to show you a clean profile. So far you've seen the front and you've seen the back, but here comes the very clean profile, and then you'll see we get more and more with the graphics coming up. Alright, here we go. Tick tock, tick tock. I could edit that, but I'm not going to. There it is. There is the profile of the car. Now you'll notice that the scoop, oh, you know what? Gosh darn it. I'm gonna stick with that scoop, that little tiny scoop on the top. It reflects the 1969 Mustang, and I just love it. And I just think that detail is very unique. I haven't seen that scoop on the body of a 2015 body style, but I thought David knocked it out of the park running along with the body. Then there's a larger scoop. This is similar to one of the modern body styles. I can't remember right now at the moment the years that it covered, but you guys know what I'm talking about. I think it's the second last modern body style to the new one. Anyway, sorry. Touch of the MM logo. We got some racing stripes on the bottom. I absolutely love it. And we also did the custom covering on the top of the fastback with the fins on the top. We then moved to much bolder look, and yeah, I did a big giant MM logo with a circle, and David put the MustangMedic logo on the back. It's still relatively clean, and it feels like the old style racing cars with the on the Cobras with the, what do they call them? They call them donuts. I think they call them donuts. The big circle in the back with the logo. But again, I think David knocked it out of the park with this. I think it looks really nice, and the hood detail is good too. Then we have another way of looking at the design with the stripe. So we've got the logo and the stripe, and I think it looks pretty nice, but it might be a little too jarring for the body lines on the car. So we took them out and we made them clean and just had the scoop and the stripe, and I think it's a nice look. I would love to have this car. Hint, hint, Ford, what do you think? You want to give one to MustangMedic? I'm open to taking it, like all of you are. And I just think it's absolutely gorgeous with this MM logo on the back. I don't know why. I just think it's being put on the tail end like that, and then the front being really clean. It looks really like a bad mamma jamma. I think it's cool. What do you guys think? Do you like that design? I think it's cool. What can I say? Now here's the top view of the car. And what's nice about this is David gave us a lot of different vent and scoop options on the hood and on the side. And this is detailing each version of it. You guys can let me know what do you like. Pick the time on the video and say what you think the hottest looking scoops are on this car. I like them all. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I appreciate you. And just know that you're loved over here at MustangMedic. I'll see you at the show in Philadelphia in 3 days. Thanks.
We take the frustration out.